Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Look at this video. I'll show you the 5 tips for succeeding in real estate you won't learn in school. So, before starting this video, please click I like it and subscribe to our channel for future updates. 1. Hang your license with the brokerage that's right for you. Most real estate companies are constantly recruiting salespeople. However, these brokers can differ a great deal in structure, operation, and philosophy. So, to be successful as a real estate agent, you shouldn't sign with any brokerage until you do some homework on your options. You need to make sure you are choosing a real estate office that you like and that will ultimately be the right fit for you. This process should include scouting the area where you want to work as an agent, researching the brokers in that area to build a short list, and interviewing with the brokers on your list. Often in an interview, the focus is on the questions the potential employer will ask you. However, in your hunt for the right brokerage, you should come prepared with questions to ask in your interview. 2. Create a plan for success and hold yourself accountable. Once you've chosen your brokerage, you'll need a plan for how to be successful as a real estate agent. You need to set goals and develop a business plan. Most plans cover activities for attracting new clients. There are a number of resources available to help you prepare your plan. Here are some additional helpful tips. Write 1 or 2 sentences about what could make you compelling to potential clients. This is your unique selling proposition. Develop a budget with a focus on the activities that you identify as having the potential for the highest ROI. This will ensure efficient use of funds for the right reasons. Create a calendar to guide planning for marketing and networking activities like email blasts, social media, trade shows, print mailers, and paid search. Develop metrics and daily activities, all driven toward helping you meet your goals. After you develop your plan, hold yourself accountable to it. 3. Have savings that can tide you over in lean times. At minimum, a real estate agent needs a mobile phone, a car, in most places, a computer, and Wi-Fi. These are things many brokerages expect you to provide yourself, along with other business startup costs. In addition, it might be a few months or so before you earn your first commission, and you're going to have to be able to cover daily living expenses. So, if you're thinking of earning a real estate license in the next year, start saving whatever you can now. Although there is some financing available for eligible agents, putting a little money away at a time to ensure you can cover your costs for a couple of months is your best option. In addition, if you do have to tap into your savings account, try to replenish if after you start collecting commissions. Markets have their ups and downs, and there might be some lean times. It's always good to be prepared. 4. Learn what your customers really want and then deliver. In real estate, the natural inclination is to put all the efforts into sales or purchases because we think that's what customers want. Actually, it's not. Customers are hungry for details and answers, and if you deliver them, they will remember and refer you. To become an expert, attend real estate continuing education and take as many professional development courses as you can. Experience is also a great teacher, so note things you learn as you work with customers and your broker. Also, try reaching out to someone in another market who knows more about a given topic than you. Equipped with expertise, encourage your customers to ask questions no matter how big or small. Also, advertise your knowledge by using social media or emails to share information, or see if you can have a column in a local newspaper, online magazine, or realty publication. Hold live information sessions or webinars because they can generate leads when you collect emails and follow up with useful information. A real estate agent who is known for having all the answers is poised for success. 5. Ask everyone you know for referrals, all the time. Referrals are the bread and butter of real estate. According to the National Association of Realtors, 39% of sellers found their agents through referral from friends or family, and 24% used their agent twice or more. Also, 69% of sellers and 70% of buyers say they'd use the same agent again. Here are some tips for getting referrals that you can use at the beginning of, and throughout, your career. Ask friends and family. Let them know you're licensed and are actively seeking buyers and sellers. Tell them you intend to work hard for anyone they refer to you. Keep asking. Once people have sent clients your way, ask those clients to tell other people. Keep up with past clients so you're top of mind when they need an agent again. Clients appreciate and remember hard work on their behalf, and they'll tell their friends, coworkers, and families. So always go the extra mile. Show your gratitude. Write a thank you card to each referral source. Thanks for watching.